good day everyone. We're here po sa Agapea Towns, Mahadaot, Calamba, Laguna. The project is 4.8 meters away from SLEX. Ayan. So, ang unit po namin dito ay duplex with 70 square meter lot area and a floor area of 50 square meter. Ang ating baba po ay naka-tiles. May cabinet na doon sa kitchen, may CR. However, ang ating second floor ay open layout lang. So, it's up to you to design kung ilang rooms ang ilalagay nyo doon. So, ayan. Ngayon, ano ba yung maganda sa phase 2? Number 1, we have Pag-ibig financing. Number 2, we have 350,000 pesos. TCP discount. We have no reservation and you only have to pay the processing fee with a total amount of 77,000 pesos or 12,833 per month. Ayan, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang property na ito, just type Ocular in the comment section and our agent will contact you para po ma-discuss namin ang process.